Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the feeder stand. First, check out the dowel holes. There's one on each side of the support board, front and back. Both side panels have colored stickers next to the screw holes. Just match the colors to connect them to the support board. Next, insert the wooden dowels and attach the front and back panels. Just a heads up, the larger panel has a center hole and the smaller one has an off-center hole. Then, match the colored stickers to connect the side panels to the support board. Insert the screws and tighten them. Make sure the screw holes line up with the matching sticker colors. Now go have fun with the rest of your DIY project. Once the screws are in, take the screw cover caps from the accessory bag, place them over the screws, and tap them in with a hammer. You can rotate the stand to choose between a 3-inch or 4.3-inch height. Just pick the one that works best for your pet and stick on the anti-slip pads.